In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a still photo and give it smooth, eye-catching motion with just a few clicks. Start by opening Adobe Express. You can use the web version in a modern browser or the app if you prefer. Once it loads, you'll see the home area where you can begin a new project. Head straight to New Design. This opens a blank canvas so you can focus on your image and the animation without distractions. If you're making content for a specific platform, choose a canvas size that matches your destination so you don't have to resize later. Next, select the sample option. This gives you a simple, ready-to-edit canvas, which is perfect for quickly testing an animation style. It's a clean starting point and keeps the focus on your photo rather than a complex template. Now click Media. This is where you bring in your image. You can upload from your device or choose from your libraries and available stock sources. For the best results, pick a clear, high-resolution photo so the motion looks crisp. Select any photos you want to animate. If you have multiple options, think about which image has a strong subject and good framing. That often animates more elegantly. Once you've found the one you like, add it to your project. Click the photo on your canvas to make sure it's selected. You'll see handles around it. Use those to resize and position the image exactly where you want it. If your subject is off-center, take a moment to align it. Good composition makes the animation feel intentional. With the photo selected, click Animation. You'll find this in the Editing panel. This is the fun part. You're telling Adobe Express how to move or reveal your image. Make sure the photo layer is highlighted so the animation applies to the right element. Select one animation from the available styles. Options like pan, zoom, fade, and similar effects each create a different mood. Click through them to preview how they look. Subtle movement often feels more polished, especially for professional content. If you see controls for speed or intensity, small adjustments can make a big difference. Finally, hit the play button on the lower screen to preview your animation in context. Watch for any awkward edges, cropping, or overly fast motion. If needed, stop the preview, tweak the image position or animation choice, and play it again until it feels just right. That's it. Your still image now has motion and personality, ready to catch attention.